Ever needed your full Apple Pay card number for an online purchase but didn't know where to find it? First, locate and tap on the Wallet app icon on your iPhone. It usually looks like a white card with colored shapes on a dark background. Once you're in the Wallet app, you'll see a list of your cards. Find the specific card you want to see the virtual card number for, and tap on it. Now, look at the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 small dots. Tap on those dots to open a new menu. A new screen will appear with card details depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. You might see a card number or info tab, or simply a section with card details. Tap on the option that displays the information for the card. Here, you'll find your device account number, which is the virtual card number associated with your Apple Pay. This is the number you can safely use for online purchases or when a merchant doesn't accept Apple Pay directly. Remember to keep this number secure, just like you would with any physical credit card. And that's it. You've successfully found your Apple Pay card number. This is a great way to pay securely online and gives you more flexibility in how you use your cards. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.